welcome back, Goth Wolf fans. Today we're gonna do meme if my cat were human. Let's get started. Mom, I want food. And besides, I don't even care anymore. That ribbon guy totally sounds like hot stuff. Because it's a perfect day. I swear to God, you and the puns, and no, Ruben is a jerk. I don't even stand how you have a crush on him, Poppy. 'Cause he's hot. And besides, I wouldn't even like him. Stuff. Hot stuff. Oh my God. Really? Again? That's it. Go to your room now. Fine. So that's the video if my cat were human. Have a wonderful day. Bye.